Let us see the question number 2. In this question 2, it is given that the sum of the third and seventh term of an AP is 6. So according to the first information, given that the sum of third term means A3, it means A3 plus A7 means sum of third term and seventh term. So third term is A3 and seventh term is A7 is equals to 6. Say this is equation number 1. Okay. Afterwards it is given and their product is 8. Product means multiplication of this is A3 multiplied by A7 is equals to 8. This is the second information, and based on these two information we got two equation. Now after solving these two equations, when you solve these two equations you will get. So after giving these two information, it is asking that find the sum of the first 16 term of this arithmetic progression. Sum of first 16 terms means S16 we need to find in this. S16 we need to find, and when we can find this S16, इस S16 को find करने के लिए जब हमें proper information we should have, means it's first term of this arithmetic progression, common difference, we know this arithmetic progression, then we can find easily S16 that n is equals to 16 is there. So before that we have to find the value of this first term and common difference with these two equations. Let us solve these two equations. Solving equation number 1, what you will get? Since A3 plus A7 is equals to 6. अभी इसको solve करते हैं. So A3 means A plus 2D plus A7, it can be written as A plus 6D is equals to 6. अभी इसको solve करते हैं. So A plus A is 2A plus 2D plus 6D, that can be written as 8D is equals to 6. Divide this equation by 2. So you can write it A plus 4D is equals to 3. कैसे आया? इस equation को हमने 2 से divide कर दिया because all the terms are divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1A, 2 4s are 8, 4D, and 2 3s are 6, 3. Say this is equation number 3. ये third equation आपका आया, right? And this second equation, इसको solve करते हैं, so we will get the another equation. चलो, now from this third equation, after solving, you will get the value of A. I think A can be written as 3 minus 4D. अभी इसको third लेते हैं. चलो, now let us solve this second equation, and this second equation is A3 multiplied by A7 equals to 8. Third term multiplied by seventh term equals to 8. So third term, the value of A3, that is A plus 2D. It is A plus 2D multiplied by A7 is A plus 6D is equals to 8. चलो, now from this third equation, the value of A you have, इस A की value इस equation में substitute करते हैं. Substituting the value of A in this equation, as you know that A is equals to 3 minus 4D. तो A के place पे where it is A written, that we are going to write down 3 minus 4D. Okay, so write down it. A is 3 minus 4D plus 2D multiplied by again A is 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equals to 8. अभी बच्चों आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि हमने सिंपली थर्ड इक्वेशन में A की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लिया था और वही A की वैल्यू दैट वैल्यू ऑफ A वी हैव सब्स्टिट्यूटेड इन दिस इक्वेशन. Where was A? This is 3 minus 4D. Here was A, 3 माइनस 4d हमने सिंपली उसके प्लेस पे सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिया। अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं। ये जो इक्वेशन आया है आपको देखेंगे ओनली द वेरिएबल इज d, सिर्फ d ही, वन वेरिएबल इट इज c, सो इट इज वन वेरिएबल, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल और इजीली हम d की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं। लेट अस सी, नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 3 minus 2d into, and this can be written as 3 plus 2d which is equals to 8. Oh, now this, the value of a from where you have to substitute it, since from equation number 3, from equation 3rd you have substituted. Okay, अब यहाँ पे आपका एक फॉर्मूला दैट एप्लीकेबल हो रहा है, a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी, एंड a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. सो हियर दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 2d होल स्क्वायर विच इज इक्वल्स टू 8, एज यू नो दैट a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी इज इक्वल्स टू a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. 3 3 ज़ा 9 minus 2 2 is 4 d square which is equals to 8. So 9 minus 4d square is equals to 8. So 4 minus 4d square is equals to 8 minus 9, minus 4d square is equals to minus 1, minus is cancelled. So you got 4d square is equals to 1. So d square is equals to 1 by 4. Therefore d is equals to plus minus 1 upon 2. This is the common difference. अभी हमें common difference की वैल्यू आ गई. d is equals to either plus or minus 4, right? या तो प्लस या तो माइनस होगा d की वैल्यू. अभी as we got the d, तो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू पॉजिटिव हाफ 1 अपॉन 2 a की वैल्यू हम फाइंड कर लेते हैं. हमने क्या कंसीडर किया यहाँ पे, सिंस d इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 2 वी हैव टेकन. सो टू फाइंड द, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉमन डिफरेंस. अभी हमें फाइंड करना है फर्स्ट टर्म a की वैल्यू. सो दिस इक्वेशन थर्ड a इज इक्वल्स टू 3 minus 4d from equation third we have written it, right? अभी d की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं इसमें. so a is equals to 3 minus 4 multiplied by 1 upon 2. 2 2 is 4, that 3 minus 2 you got a is equals to 1. चलो, आपको फर्स्ट टर्म भी मिल गया, कॉमन डिफरेंस भी मिल गया, राइट? यू गॉट फर्स्ट टर्म ऑल्सो, कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑल्सो. हाँ बच्चों, एक बात ये भी ध्यान रखना, d की वैल्यू हमने प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 कंसिडर किया है. अभी हम अगर d की वैल्यू माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 कंसिडर करते तो a की वैल्यू डिफरेंट आती. वो भी केस हम स्टडी करेंगे, डोंट वरी, राइट? चलो, एज द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड d वी गॉट, so in this case let us find out the value of S16, the sum of first 16 term of this arithmetic progression. Okay, so let us find out the S16 as it is asking. Okay, चलो अभी हम S16 फाइंड करते हैं. as there this is the question given. To find the value of S16, as it is asking S16, so we should know the value of formula of Sn, and Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So with this formula you can write down the value of S16. S16 is equals to 16 upon 2 into 2a, the value of a is 1, plus n is 16 minus 1 into d, d is equals to 1 upon 2. सॉल्व करते हैं. दिस इज 8 into 2 1s are 2 plus this can be written as 15 by 2 Okay, you can multiply by 8, 8 to the 16 plus 15 into 8 by 2, 2 4 the 8, so 16 plus 15 4 the 60, so 60 plus 16 is 76. It is the value of S16, right? This is the first value of this question when d is equals to 1 upon 2 you got, right? जब d की वैल्यू 1 upon 2 आई तो S16 की वैल्यू क्या आई 76, मीन्स द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 16 टर्म ऑफ दिस अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. चलो अभी d की वैल्यू सब चेंज करते हैं, दूसरी वैल्यू लेते हैं विच वॉज नेगेटिव. तो जब आप d की वैल्यू -1 अपॉन 2 लेंगे तो फुल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी चेंज्ड. आपका a की वैल्यू भी चेंज हो जाएगा और आपके द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 16 टर्म भी चेंज हो जाएगा, राइट? सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट दैट वन ऑल्सो. नाउ कंसिडर d is equals to -1 upon 2. Okay, so let us consider d is equals to -1 upon 2. Then let's see what will happen. Okay, so we are going to take this d is equals to, now d is equals to -1 upon 2 we have to take. After taking this d is equals to -1 upon 2, let us find out the value of a. Since you know that a is equals to 3 minus 4d from equation third. Okay, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. a is equals to 3 minus 4 into d, d is -1 upon 2. So 3 minus minus plus 2 2s are 4, that you got 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. देखो a की वैल्यू डिफरेंट आई. Now let us find out the value of S16. Therefore S16 is equals to 16 upon 2 into 2a, a is 5, plus 16 minus 1 into d is -1 upon 2. Okay बच्चों, कोई प्रॉब्लम? Let us solve it. This is 8, 5 to the 10, plus minus minus, and it can be written as 15 upon 2. So 8 tens are 80 minus 15 multiplied by 8 upon 2. 2 fours are 8, so it can be written as 80 minus 15 fours are 60. Therefore you got the value of S16 is 20. अभी आपको कॉन्सेप्ट इस क्वेश्चन का, there are two information, so we got two values of S16. S16 के दो values हमें मिले, वो भी कौन सा? First was 76, the second is 20. Any problem?